Art Attack is sponsored by Pridstick.
This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello there. Hey, psst, come here. Do you have any secret notes or photos or private letters that you want to hide? What you need is a secret file to keep them in. And where are they? Well, they're not in here. Actually, they're in here in a secret compartment. Look at that. Come and have a look at this. Take 2 A4 size pieces of paper and place them onto a good stiff piece of cardboard box card, draw around them and then cut those out so you have 2 A4 size pieces of cardboard. Then take one of them and one of your pieces of paper, place your paper on top of your cardboard like that and then tape it to the cardboard. Now, it's very important that you only tape it down 3 edges, the top edge, the side edge and the bottom edge. And the way to tape it is just put your tape on lengthways like that and just tuck it over around the edge of the cardboard. It can be a bit fiddly to do, so take your time and do it in small pieces of tape at a time. But when you've done 3 edges, the top, 1 edge and the side, you will have a paper pocket that opens down one of the long edges like that. Then place your pocket down and take some PVA glue, mix it in equal parts with water, your PVA school glue, and slop it onto the front of your paper and card pocket and just simply paste some newspaper onto the front, just little strips of newspaper. Now, it doesn't matter if it's not very neat, because if you get wrinkles in that newspaper like that, perfect. It gives your secret file a nice wrinkly leather effect. I'm just slopping this on here. You don't need to be neat with it, but whatever you do, don't glue up that side open pocket. Do both sides of your paper and card pocket, and when you've finished, you will have a nice wrinkly pocket that's nice and stiff. And again, I'll say it, whatever you do, don't paste over that open edge. And then take some poster paint or acrylic paint, a nice rich brown colour, and paint your pocket. And just slopping it on there into all those nooks and crannies and all those wrinkles, and you should get a great leather effect. And when you've done the front and the back, you'll have something that looks like this. Look at that. That's one of your secret compartments. And when you've painted it, if you want to give it this real shiny leather effect, when the paint is dry, completely cover it in PVA glue and it'll look a real mess. But when the glue dries, it goes hard and shiny and see-through and gives this great leather effect. Now, do exactly the same with both paper and card pockets, and you have the front and the back of your secret file. Then just place them side by side with the open pocket edges running down the middle like that, and make sure the paper side is on the inside and the cardboard sides are on the top, and then cut a strip of material to fit down the middle, just to fit across that gap down the middle. Now, your material needs to be the same height as your file, and it needs to be wide enough to overlap on both pieces of card by about a ruler's width. That's absolutely perfect. Now, you can use almost any type of material for this. I've actually cut a scrap strip of material from an old Art Attack sweatshirt. Red's perfect for a secret file, but you can use any plain colour. In fact, you can, if you want to, use thick paper or thin card. Now, place your material down the middle like that and just cut some triangles of material. It's best to use material, I think. Cut some triangles, place them in the corner, because this will give your secret file a real professional finish. And when you're happy with that position, just pull the 2 pieces about a centimetre apart, just to create a gap down the middle, and then glue everything firmly in place. Make sure you get that gap down the middle. Glue it all in place using nice, strong PVA glue. And when you've done that, look at this. You will have your secret file with your 2 secret compartments. And see that? They're joined in the middle by the material. And it looks very professional. And then close it up and just take a ball of sticky tack. And what I'm going to do is just place that there, because the idea is you pierce a hole through each of those sides into the sticky tack, because I don't actually want to damage anything underneath, just using a sharp pencil for this. And then do another hole about 4 or 5 centimetres away from that first hole, and they're about 2 centimetres in from the edge of your file. And then close your file up like that and use those holes as guide to pierce some holes into the back piece right through. So you've got 4 holes, and you can use those holes to thread some ribbon or string through to keep your file closed. And when you've done that, it looks like that. Look at that. I've threaded some ribbon through there. And see what else I've done here? I've used a gold pen to just really finish it off along these edges and around the holes. And on the front, I've painted top secret, because of course it is. And then you can open it up and use it to keep lots of things inside. What have I got in here? Let me see. I don't want to show you too many secrets now. Postcards, photographs, letters, some certificates in there. That's a good idea. And as for my secrets, I keep those all in my secret compartment in there. See that? Look at that. And no one will ever know that they're in there. In fact, I think I'm going to put them back in case anyone sees it. Try it yourself. Keep your secrets in your own top secret file.